Good morning, children. I am Rupal ma'am and I welcome you all today in our English session. How are you all? I hope you all are growing smarter and stronger day by day, right? Children, today we are going to revise alphabet C and alphabet D with some pictures and with a jolly phonic song. And then I will introduce you to a new pattern which is the sleeping line. So, are you all ready? Let us begin. Capital C, small c, Mama C, baby C. The sound of C is K, K. C for cap, C for cake, C for car, C for chair. Capital D, small d, Mama D, baby D. The sound of D is D, D. D for dice, D for doll, D for dolphin, D for drum. Let's sing a jolly phonic song to revise alphabet C and D. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Now it is time to learn sleeping line. This is a standing line. In this picture, the girl is in the standing position. This is a sleeping line. And here, this boy is in the sleeping position. ये कौन सी लाइन है बच्चों? स्टैंडिंग लाइन. और आज हम स्लीपिंग लाइन सीखेंगे. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, sleeping line. Now let us draw sleeping line. Here I have drawn small lines. Now we will join it and make sleeping lines. Children, always start from the left side and slowly go to the right side. From left to right. One more time. Left side to right side. स्लीपिंग लाइन कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे हम? लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड जाना है. Now we will draw sleeping lines without any dots. Start from the left side. Slowly move towards the right side. Left to right. Once again, left side to the right side. Left to right. See, our sleeping lines are ready. Now let us learn how to trace sleeping line. See children, I have made these small lines on the slate. You can also ask your mama to do it for you at home. So let's start tracing on the small lines from left to right. Slowly, without lifting your hand, always draw from left to right. One more time. Left to right. Left to right. Once again. Very good. Left to right. Left to right. Sleeping lines are ready. Now let us make the sleeping lines on a 4-line paper. This is a 4-line paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. See children, I have drawn small lines on the first red line and on the first and second blue lines. So now we will start drawing sleeping lines. Hold the pencil properly and start from left to right. Left to right. Keep 1 finger distance on the first red line, first blue line and second blue line. One more time. Left to right. Left to right. Left to right. On the first red line, first blue line, second blue line. अच्छे से स्लीपिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है आपको. वेरी गुड. See children, sleeping lines are ready. You can also practice at home with help of your mama. So today we have learned sleeping line. Now it is the worksheet time. In this worksheet, you have to trace the sleeping line. आपको इस वर्कशीट में स्लीपिंग लाइन ट्रेस करनी है. पहला पिक्चर लेफ्ट साइड पे डॉग का है और राइट साइड पे कैनल का, जहाँ डॉग रहते हैं. तो हमें डॉग से कैनल तक स्लीपिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. वैसे ही हमें दूसरे एनिमल्स को स्लीपिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करके उनके घर से मैच करना है. जैसे स्क्विरल ट्री पर रहती है, फिश वाटर में रहती है और पेंगुइन स्नो में रहते हैं. अब नीचे दी गई स्लीपिंग लाइंस आपको प्रैक्टिस के लिए ड्रॉ करनी है. Okay children, keep revising. Bye bye and thank you.